Pins are used in SeaDAS to mark geographic pixel locations in an image. Besides being useful for annotating images, pins are used by many SeaDAS tools. Here's a true color image of a Level 3 mapped file loaded into SeaDAS. But you can use any file which has pixel geocoding. To add a pin, click the Pins Add icon, then place the pins by clicking the image. If you don't see the Pins toolbar, go in the menu to View, Toolbars, and click Pins. To move a pin, click the Select Mode icon, click the pin and drag it. Or click the Pin Manager icon and directly edit its lat/lon coordinates. To delete a pin, with Select Mode enabled, click the pin, go in Menu to Edit, Delete. Or in the Pin Manager, click the pin and click the trash can. You can edit the pin color, and text label, and you can find more properties to edit by selecting a pin and clicking the pencil icon. Pin shape and opacity are a bit buried in the Style CSS field. For an alternative editor to this field, go to the Layer Manager, select the Pins layer. Do this by clicking the row, not by clicking the checkbox. Click its pencil icon. And in the layer editor, we have a selector for the pin shape and pin opacity. This will edit just the selected pin. If you click elsewhere in the image so that you have no pins selected, it will edit all the pins at once. To hide and show pins, in Layer Manager, toggle the Pins checkbox. You can click the Panner Mode icon to return back to Image Pan mode. Okay, so here I have some pins which I created specific to this scene. To save out these pins to a file, in the Pin Manager, select the pins you wish to save, click the Export icon, and save. Let's view a different file. Here's the Level 2 file of the same scene, and let's import the pins we just saved. In the Pin Manager, click the Import icon, pick the Pins file, open it, and there are our pins. There's a bonus field here, this filter icon, which lets you add to this table the values of pin pixels for any of the bands. But a more robust tool for this is the Pixel Extraction tool, which we'll take a look at in a future video. And that's how to use pins in SeaDAS. To get answers to your SeaDAS questions, visit our forum and websites. The links are posted in the description below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming SeaDAS tutorial videos.